Yo, this is your boy Oda coming to you with part 54 of the Crochet Basics. Let's grab some coffee, enjoy your Memorial Day, and let's get on stitching. Today, we're going to be working on the spider stitch. The spider stitch is a very unique and very texturized stitch, and it's good for washcloths and other small projects. Let's get to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a chain that is a multiple of 2. A multiple of 2, no added additional chains, just a multiple of 2. So we're going to do 20 stitches, 2, 0. So 1, 2, 3. You know the deal. Let's go to the end. I'll see you there. So now that we have our 20 chains, what we're going to do is we're going to skip the first chain and then go into the second chain. And then we're going to do this sequence. We're going to be doing 1 single crochet, a chain 1, and another single crochet in the same exact stitch. So let me show you. So we're going to go into the second chain from the hook, do a single crochet, then we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to go right back into the same stitch with a single crochet. Okay, to continue, what we're going to do is we're going to skip another chain and go into the next and do our sequence again with 1 single crochet, a chain 1, and then another single crochet into that same exact stitch. And we're going to be doing this along the entire first row. Okay, remember the chain 1 spaces are very important for our next row. So continue doing this, and I'm losing my hook here, sorry. Continue doing this sequence of skip a chain, single crochet, chain 1, and then single crochet back into the same exact thing. The same exact stitch. So now that we're at the end, we're going to do our sequence again in our very last chain, doing a single crochet here, a chain 1, and a single crochet back into that same stitch. Okay, great. So we have our row 1 done. So stop. I need you to chill for a second. We're not going to chain and turn our work. No, we're just going to turn our work and continue on. To continue with row 2, we're going to be using those chain 1 spaces that we made before in the previous row. And we're going to be doing our same exact sequence. So we're going to be doing a single crochet into the first chain 1 space, chain 1, and then another single crochet in that same exact chain 1 space as we did before. This yarn is giving me trouble, sorry. So we're going to go to the next chain space and do the same exact thing. Chain 1, and then go right back into that same stitch. Go on to the next chain 1 space and do the same exact thing again. A single crochet, chain 1, and a single crochet again, and continue that all the way to the end of the row. So now that we're at the end of the row, as in the previous row, we're going to do the same exact thing at the end, is do a single crochet, a chain 1, and then a single crochet again. And remember, we're not doing any additional chains at all. We're just going to turn our work and continue on. So we're starting to get some structure here. As you can see, the spider stitch is really coming along, and we're going to be working into those chain 1 spaces again. And this is just me continuing the project. So I'm looking for my chain 1 spaces, doing my single crochet, chain 1, single crochet again, and going into those chain 1 spaces. And that's exactly what we're going to do until you're at desired length of your project. And this, my friends, is a 1 row repeat. A 1 row repeat. All you need is an even number, and you can go ham. And if you get the reference, you understand. A lot of people will understand what the ham means. So this is me continuing on in those chain 1 spaces. So this is very easy, guys. Beginner friendly. If you use cotton yarn, this is perfect for a washcloth, for exfoliation. I've seen people use loofah for this as well. So that's amazing to use for, pretty much everything, even a coaster or even a doily, and even pillows and other things as well. So right now I'm just finishing up the last sequence in the very last stitch of the row with a single crochet, chain one, single crochet again into the same stitch, and then I'm not doing a chain and turning, and then we continue on. Thank you so much for following along. Have a great Memorial Day, and as you know, and remember, follow for more.